Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 version 24 H2 on supported devices. We'll introduce you to two methods. Use the one you prefer. This upgrade brings exciting new features, better performance, and enhanced security. Whether you're upgrading for work or to explore the new feature, we've got you covered. If you have an unsupported system, don't worry. We'll cover how to upgrade those in an upcoming tutorial, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Check system requirements. Before updating, it's crucial to ensure that your PC meets the requirements for Windows 11 24 H2. To make sure your PC is ready for Windows 11 24 H2 upgrade, we'll use the PC Health Check app. This official tool from Microsoft helps verify if your device meets the necessary requirements. Download the PC Health Check app from the official Microsoft website. The link is in the description below. After downloading and installing, open the app and click the Check Now button. The app will tell you if your PC meets the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11 24 H2. Here's what your system needs. Processor 1 GHz or faster with at least 2 cores on a 64-bit processor. RAM 4 GB or more. Storage 64 GB or more. TPM Trusted Platform Module TPM version 2 enabled. System firmware UEFI Secure Boot capable. If the app confirms your PC is eligible, that's great. If not, don't worry. We'll share a tutorial soon on upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported systems. Before proceeding with the upgrade, it's crucial to back up all your important data. While the upgrade process usually goes smoothly, there's always a small chance something could go wrong. To prevent any potential data loss, be sure to back up your files using OneDrive, Google Drive, an external drive, or another cloud storage service. Alternatively, you can copy your important files to a different drive that isn't the Windows drive, such as D or E, to keep them safe. Don't skip this step. It's better to be safe than sorry. Method 1. Upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 using an ISO file. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Microsoft Windows 11 download page, link provided in the description. You'll see the current release of Windows 11 displayed at the top of the page. At this point, you have two options. The first is to use the Media Creation tool, a download assistant, to get the Windows 11 ISO file. The second is to download the ISO file directly through your browser. We'll walk you through both methods. Scroll down to the section titled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. In the Select Download drop-down menu, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Download Now. Before downloading the ISO, it's essential to know your current Windows language. If the language of your system and the ISO don't match, you don't be able to upgrade while keeping your files, apps, and settings. To check your current Windows language, follow these steps. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and enter the following command. Type DISM /online /get-intl. The command is included in the description. This will display information about your system's local and language settings. Look for the system local value, which indicates your current Windows language. Make sure the language of the ISO file you select matches this. After checking your language, go back to the download page and select the matching language for the ISO file. Click Confirm and then download the ISO file. Now, we'll download the ISO file using the Media Creation tool to observe the differences. If you opt to use the Media Creation tool to download the ISO file, you'll benefit from a couple of advantages. First, the tool will automatically select the language based on your current Windows settings, sparing you the hassle of manually matching the language for the upgrade. Additionally, the ISO file will be approximately 1 GB smaller compared to downloading it directly. The choice is yours whether to download the ISO file using the media creation tool or through your browser. As you can see, the ISO file downloaded using the media creation tool has a smaller size due to higher compression. We will keep only one of the two ISO files to continue the tutorial. Once the ISO file has downloaded, right-click on it and select Mount to create a virtual drive for installation. Windows Explorer will immediately open the contents of the mounted ISO file. If not, open it from this PC. Double-click on setup.exe to start the upgrade process. Windows 11 setup will open. The first step is to decide whether to download updates, drivers, and optional features during the setup. Click on the Change how setup downloads updates link. To speed up the installation process, you can select Not right now for downloading updates. The choice is yours. You can leave it on. Click Next. Before proceeding, you'll need to agree the Microsoft Software license terms. Make sure to read through the terms if you're unfamiliar with them. Click Accept. Please wait while the necessary checks are performed before the upgrade. After a while, Windows will prompt you to choose what to keep during the upgrade. Click on the Change what to keep link. If you want to retain all your files, apps, and settings, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This option allows for a smooth transition to Windows 11 version 24H2 without losing any data or configuration. If the Keep Personal Files and Apps option is disabled, it means you downloaded the wrong language for the ISO file. Click the Next button. In this step, the settings you selected will be displayed. You won't be able to use your PC during the installation, so make sure to save and close your files beforehand. Click the Install button. Windows Setup will start preparing the installation, checking your system, and applying necessary updates. Your computer may restart multiple times during the process. Just let the installation run its course until it's complete. Once the installation is done, your computer will boot into Windows 11 version 24H2. You can then explore all the new features and enhancements. Note that after the upgrade, you will no longer need the ISO file. You can either move it to another storage location or drive, or simply delete it. Method 2. Upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 using the Installation Assistant. If you prefer a straightforward approach, the Windows Installation Assistant is an excellent tool for upgrading your system. Here's how to use it. Open your web browser and visit the official Windows 11 download page. The link is provided in the description below. Click on Download Now under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section. After the download is complete, double-click the file to launch the Installation Assistant. If prompted by User Account Control or UAC, click Yes to proceed. The tool will check your system for compatibility. If the PC Health Check app is not already installed, a message will appear with a link to download it. Follow the link to download and install the app as explained in the introduction. Once the PC Health Check app confirms your system is compatible, return to the Installation Assistant, click Refresh, and then Accept and Install to start the upgrade. The Installation Assistant will begin downloading Windows 11. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the assistant will automatically start installing Windows 11 on your PC. When the installation is complete, the tool will prompt you to restart your system. Click Restart now. Your computer may reboot several times during the upgrade process. After the upgrade, if any on-screen instructions are displayed, follow them to configure your settings and login. As you can see, we've upgraded Windows 10 version 22H2 to Windows 11 version 24H2 using the Installation Assistant. Tips. After successfully upgrading to Windows 11 version 24 H2, keep in mind that you have a 10-day window to roll back to your previous version of Windows if you encounter any issues or prefer the previous setup. To return to your previous version of Windows, open Settings, go to System, Recovery. Under Recovery options, you should see the Go Back option, which will allow you to revert to your previous version of Windows. If you want to revert, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After the 10-day period, this option will no longer be available and your system will permanently keep the new version. For example, we reverted Windows 11 version 24 H2 to Windows 10 version 22 H2. Freeing up space by deleting the old version of Windows. If you're happy with the upgrade and don't plan to revert, you can reclaim space on your hard drive or SSD by deleting the previous Windows installation files, which can take up several gigabytes of storage. Here's how to do it. Open Settings, go to System, Storage, click on Temporary Files. Wait a few moments while the temporary files are being scanned. Check the box for previous Windows installations. Click Remove Files. This will delete the old Windows version, freeing up storage space that was previously reserved in case you wanted to roll back. In the other video linked above and in the description, we have discussed this issue in detail. And that's it, your complete guide to upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11 version 24 H2 on supported PCs. Don't forget, if you're using an unsupported system or need additional help with upgrading, stay tuned for future tutorials where we'll cover those topics. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.